This dish is a Persian classic, one of my very favorites, reimagined for busy weeknights. The original recipe uses bone-in chicken, which takes a bit longer to prepare, but I have simplified it into a one-pan skillet. You can use boneless chicken thighs like I did for extra juiciness, or boneless chicken breast if you prefer leaner cuts. Either way, it's a delicious twist that I hope you'll enjoy making it at home. And that's it, or that's all, folks. Juicy chicken, sweet prunes, and spinach all in one skillet. Simple, comforting, and a healthy, balanced meal ready in about 30 minutes. If you enjoyed this one pan creation, check out my other videos for more bold Mediterranean flavors and time-saving meals. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy, fast-free recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.